Hi everyone, how are you? So today we will see the dictionary, the third and the last type of sequences in Python. To create a dictionary, it is very easy. We have seen it before, but what is a dictionary? Of course, a dictionary, it is a collection of data by giving it a key, and to each key a value. So this is what is a dictionary. It is a very useful object to use in Python. To create a dictionary, it is very simple. For example, we will give it the name of deco and we will give it some values. For example, we'll give it the name of people with their ages. So, for example, Bob will give him the age of 45. For example, James will give him the age of 35. For example, what else? For example, Mary will give her the age of 22, for example. So we have here a dictionary. What can we do with this dictionary? Of course, we can, for example, see the value of a certain key. To do this, we'll print it just like this. So the first thing is to type the name of our dictionary. Of course, here it is deco, and we will give it the key of this item, like an index, like indexing in tuples and in lists. So, for example, we will write here Bob, and we will see his age. If we write another, for example, Mary will have her age. So this is how to get in or how to get the value of an item. Of course, we can also say the length of our dictionary with the famous function len. So the len of deco, it is of course the number of the keys or the number of the items in this dictionary. So there are three items or three keys with values. Good. We can also say all the keys of this dictionary. So we'll write its name with the method case. So case with, of course, parentheses, and we'll have all its keys. We can also say all its values with the method values, and we'll have there here. Good. What can also say? We can also say the items in total if we want to see them with the method items. So we'll see each key with its value. Good. We can also make changes in a dictionary, because a dictionary can be changed. So to do this, we have just to so here deco, we will print deco to see what it contains, and now we will make some change. So for example, we can add some items. So deco, for example, if we have another name, let's give it Ben. So the name Ben. So this Ben has, for example, the age of 13, for example. So now we can find this Ben in our dictionary. So this is how we add items to our dictionary. We can also see a view. Just I has shown you. So with the method items, but here we have to notice that this method is just a view. So we are not changing the name. So for example, if I write here deco1 and give it this view, so deco items, so here items. So if I print now deco 1, I will have just a view, not a new element, because if I made any change in the first deco, so if I give this original deco some new values, for example, as I have written, for example, Ben with its age. So here I have just changed deco, not deco1, but if I look at deco1, I will have this same change here deco1. So here we have to make it before, because here we have changed after to print deco. So if I write here deco deco with this new value, so if I write here it's equal to 13 and here I want to say deco1, which I didn't change, so I will have its new value here. So here we have this Ben. Good. This is how we use this items method. We can also add or just change an element. For example, if we want to change the element, for example, Bob from 45 to 13, we can do this with this method. So here, if I print deco, I will have Bob with this new value, which is 13. So this method gives us the possibility to add elements or to change already existing elements, because just like in the sets, dictionaries do not allow duplicating, so we cannot duplicate an element for many times. Good. We can also remove elements. For example, if we want to remove for example an element, we can use pop. So deco pop, for example, the element with the k James. So James, and we will see the new deco. So in our new deco there is no James with its value of course. We can also remove the last item without mentioning its key, and the method that we use is pop item. So if we do this, Mari will be deleted, but pop item. But here in this editor, it's not accept this method. I don't know why, but this method exists in. So this method exists in Python, and it allows us to remove the last element in, or the last item in a dictionary. We can also del or remove an element by the method del. So if we write del deco, for example, to an element, of course, by its key, for example, Bob. So we'll see that we have no more Bob in our dictionary. We can also delete the whole dictionary by just writing its name. So if we do this, so there is no results because name deco is no more defined in our console. Good. So what can we also say? We can also make a loop on this dictionary. For example, for k for k in deco, for example, what can we do? We can, for example, print k. So we'll print all the keys that we have in our dictionary by using this for loop. So we have all its name. We can also not print the key but the values. For example, deco for k. So we'll have all the values of this dictionary. We can also use, for example, another method which is deco keys, the method that we have just already speaking about. So we can do this and have our values, or to have our keys, or we can use directly the method values, and here we will write v to be more obvious, and we will have all our values. And we can also use the method items and to print all the items that we have in this dictionary. Good. What can also do? We can also copy a dictionary. For example, if we want to make a copy of the first or for this dictionary, we cannot just make it deco 1 equal deco that we have, because this will be just a view of the first deco. So this new deco will be not an independent copy but just a view of this one, and any change in this dictionary will affect this new dictionary. So this is not a good method to copy a dictionary. To do this, we can use a method which is in dictionaries. So if we want to create a new deco, we can have this method. So deco, the first deco, the original deco, with the method copy. And now we can have our new and original copy of first deco. So this first deco will be copied here. And if we, for example, change this first deco, this second will not be affected by this change. So this is what we have for today. So, and with this lesson we have just finished with the sequences. So we have see the all or the important and obvious methods in our four sequences types. So if you have any question, you can let them in the comments, and do not forget to click the button or the like button and subscribe to our channel to have the newest sessions in our lessons on Python. So see you in the next session. Bye bye.